Hi friends, welcome to Biology Tutor. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notification. Today we are continuing the topic RPSC FSO 2019 question paper discussion part 3. Lactoferrin gene has been used for commercial production of which of the following transgenic animals? A. Cow, B. Mice, C. Fish, D. Chicken. Which is the answer? Here answer is A. Cow. Agroforestry system involving agricultural and forest crops. A. Agri-silviculture system. B. Silvipastoral system. C. Hortipastoral system. D. Agri-silvipastoral system. Which is the answer? Here answer is A. Agri-silviculture system. Silviculture is the art and science of controlling the establishment, growth, composition, health and quality of forests and woodlands to meet the diverse needs and values of landowners and society, such as wildlife habitat, timber, water resources, restoration and recreation on a sustainable basis. Don't forget to enroll for free online mock test series of FSO, FSSAI, Food Analyst, Food SI exams by logging on to www.microbiologytutor.com. Next question. Which of the following is a bunch type variety of groundnut? A. AH334, B. RG382, C. RG425, D. Girnar 2. Which is the answer? Here answer is D. Girnar 2. Next question. Which variety of mango is susceptible to spongy tissue? A. Chausa, B. Fazli, C. Alfonso, D. Gulab Khas. Which is the answer? Here answer is C. Alfonso. Alfonso mango is susceptible to spongy tissue. Spongy tissue is a ripening disorder. An article published Metabolomic Dynamics reveals oxidative stress in spongy tissue disorder during ripening of Mangifera indica fruit by Pranjali et al. In 2019. Analysis revealed metabolic variations in tricarboxylic acid cycle and gamma aminobutyric acid shunt, generating reactive oxygen species, which causes stressed conditions inside the mesocarp. Further, reduced levels of antioxidants and enzymes dissipating reactive oxygen species in mesocarp deteriorate the fruit's physiology. This oxidative stress all along affects the level of amino acids, sugars and enzymes responsible for flavor generation in the fruit, which causes spongy tissue, a ripening disorder in Alfonso mangoes. Which of the following variety of onion produces white colored bulb? A. Bhima Raj, B. Bhima Shubhra, C. Pusa Madhavi, D. Arka Kalyan. Which is the answer? Here answer is B. Bhima Shubhra, which is cultivated in Vidarbha region in Maharashtra. Directorate of Onion and Garlic Research DOGR. It is situated at Pune district, Rajgurunagar, Maharashtra. Arka Rakshak is an important variety of A. Brinjal, B. Chilli, C. Tomato, D. Okra. Which is the answer? Here answer is C. Tomato. Arka Rakshak is a variety of tomato. Arka Rakshak and Arka Shrestha are the varieties of tomato. As per basic animal husbandry statistics, DAHTNF GOI milk production in India in the year 2017-18 was dash million tons. A 140 to 150 million tons, B 130 to 139 million tons, C 160 to 165 million tons, D 170 to 180 million tons. Which is the answer? Here answer is D 170 to 180 million tons. Next question. Pandragini is a variety of A. Cumin, B. Fennel, C. Fenugreek, D. Coriander. Which is the answer? Pandragini is a variety of fenugreek. So here answer is C. Parasitic weed associated with mustard is A. Striga, B. Orobanche, C. Cuscuta, D. Loranthus. Which is the answer? Here answer is B. Orobanche. Rafflesia is total root parasite. Cuscuta is total stem parasite. Biscum is partial stem parasite. Loranthus is partial stem parasite. Striga is partial root parasite. Balanophora is total root parasite. Orobanche total root parasite. Don't forget to enroll for free online mock test series of FSO, FSSAI, Food Analyst, Food Assay exams by logging on to www.microbiologytutor.com. Next question. Rajasthan ranks dash in per capita milk availability in India 2017-2018. A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Which is the answer? Here answer is C. Third. Rajasthan ranks third in per capita milk availability in India during 2017-2018 year. Per capita availability of milk by grams per day of Rajasthan in 2018-2019 is 870. In 2017 and 18 it was 834. Punjab and Haryana are in first and second position. Next question. In India, maximum amount of milk is utilized in A. Ghee making, B. Khova making, C. Liquid milk, D. Powder making. Which is the answer? Here answer is C. Liquid milk. Next question. Gestation period of cow is dash days. A. 300 to 320 days. B. 280 to 285 days. C. 150 to 200 days. D. 250 to 260 days. Which is the answer? Here answer is B. 280 to 285 days. Shortest gestation period in animals is observed in Virginian opossum. It is about 12 days. Longest gestation period is observed in elephant. Next question. Rate of feeding colostrum to a newborn calf is A. 10% of the body weight, B. 20% of the body weight, C. 30% of the body weight, D. 40% of the body weight. Which is the answer? Here answer is A. 10% of the body weight. Rate of feeding colostrum to a newborn calf is 10% of the body weight. Normally, dash is used for packaging butter. A. Parchment paper of PVC, B. Polyethylene, C. Aluminium foil, D. Polypropylene. Which is the answer? Here answer is A. Parchment paper of PVC. Next question. Causative agent of hemorrhagic septicemia. A. Pasteurella multocida. It is in cattle. B. Clostridium shavoi. C. Brucella abortus. D. Mycobacterium bovis. Which is the answer? Here answer is A. Pasteurella maltosida, which is a causative agent of hemorrhagic septicemia in cattle. Human fulminant gas gangrene is caused by Clostridium shavoi. The husk seed ratio of isabgol by weight is A. 25:75, B. 50:50, C. 75:25, D. 40:60. Which is the answer? Here answer is A. 25:75. The husk to seed ratio of isabgol by weight is 25:75. Next question. Microbes that have beneficial effect on health of the consumers are called A. Prebiotics, B. Probiotics, C. Symbiotics, D. Antibiotics. Which is the answer? Here answer is B. Probiotics. Prebiotic, a non-digestible food ingredient that promotes the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the intestines are known as prebiotics. Symbiotics. What are symbiotics? Symbiotics are a combination of prebiotics and probiotics that are believed to have a synergistic effect by inhibiting the growth of pathogenic bacteria and further enhancing the growth of beneficial organisms. Next question. Food Safety Standard Authority of India or FSSAI Act in Parliament was established in the year dash and implemented in the year dash. It is an important question. You should remember this question. It is very important. A. 1954 and 1979. B. 1995 and 2015. C. 2006 and 2011. D. 1984 and 2002. Which is the answer? Here answer is C. 2006 and 2011. FSSAI Act was established in the year 2006 and implemented in the year 2011. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications.